Hello, my name is Burton Fade, and this is my course menu project. Here we have my menu, Great Brits Restaurant, great food, great service, great place. I have 5 menu items here. So we got the roasted beet and ricotta salad, penne primavera, steak frites, fruit tart, and a chocolate cake. You can see 3 of the items listed here in images. And then there's a little checkered theme and pattern, and I wanted to use the red to really ignite that appetite in the viewer. And I think that the checkered lines really draw the eye right to the main dishes as well as the images. So I wanted to note that use of visual aid. So this is the recipe for the roasted beet and ricotta salad. This is how to prepare as well as the ingredients for the roasted beets and for the salad part. Next up, this is the build card. So we're going to set up the beets, set up the dollops of ricotta, and then sprinkle on pecans. Next up, the penne primavera. This is the instructions on how to prepare as well as ingredients. And then here is the build card, and then there's the option for the add-on for chicken and shrimp. So that's also listed there, as well as instructions on how to go if someone orders that. For the steak frites, here is a little image of what it should look like, as well as the how to prepare and the ingredient list. And then we've got the build card here, which is slicing up the steaks and frying the fries, plating the fries, tossing them in the seasoning and the Parmesan. Then we've got the fruit tart here with the pastry shell. And then for that, we got the build card for the fruit tart, which is slicing it and plating. And then for the chocolate cake, there is the cake instructions, as well as the frosting instructions. This is going to be plated with vanilla ice cream. So the assembly would be once the cake cools, frosting on top of it. And then for the order sheet for all of the items, we've got the meat and protein here, and then the amount per pack, and then the amount of individual packs to order. And then we have produce listed here for all the ingredients. So you can see there's a pretty lengthy list. We've got a lot of fruits and vegetables on there, as well as toppings. And then for the dairy and refrigerated section, we can see here we've got a lot of Parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese. We've got the cream sauce on there, and same thing per pack and then amount to order. And then for the dry goods, another lengthy list, as well as some random things in there like honey, the unsweetened cocoa powder, the roasted pecans, and then their per pack and the amount to order. And then that sums up the menu project that I have. I'm gonna go back to the start here.